In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your LinkedIn account from another service or application, whether you're trying to enhance your online privacy, protect your data, or simply take control of the apps that have access to your LinkedIn account. Disconnecting LinkedIn from an external service is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step with clear and detailed instructions to ensure you can follow along smoothly. Let's begin by navigating to the starting point of this procedure. First, you need to access the settings where the connection to LinkedIn is managed. Typically, this involves going into your profile on the application or service where LinkedIn is linked. If you're on a web platform, most commonly, you'll want to look towards the top of the screen to find your profile picture. Clicking on this should present you with a drop-down menu where you need to find and select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll often find several categories. Here, we are specifically looking for one commonly labeled Accounts or something similar. This particular section manages the connections, authorizations, and linked services, including our target today, LinkedIn. Once you have opened the account settings, look for a subsection related to linked applications or connected services. This is where all your third-party connections are usually listed. Within this list, amongst other applications, you should see LinkedIn displayed, most likely with an option to edit or manage this connection. Hover over or click on the LinkedIn connection to reveal more options. Here, you will see an option to disconnect or unlink your LinkedIn account. By selecting this option, you initiate the process of removing the connection. You may be prompted with a confirmation dialog to ensure that this is indeed what you desire to do. Confirm your choice to finalize the disconnection. After confirming, wait for the system to process the disconnection, which might take a moment. Once completed, LinkedIn will no longer be linked to that particular service, ensuring your professional profile and data linked to LinkedIn are no longer accessible from that service. It's always a wise practice to regularly review the services connected to your LinkedIn account, especially if you've linked multiple apps over time. Each connection is a potential gateway to your professional information. By periodically checking and managing these settings, you enhance your control over personal information and reduce exposure to privacy risks. And there you have it, a simple yet effective step to manage your online presence and privacy by disconnecting your LinkedIn account from another service. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.